Hey guys, welcome back. It's Kim from Loving to Shop. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm just here to do a video sharing 2 items that I received as a baby shower gift, and also my 2 favorite Longchamp handbags. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I would love for you to stick around and let's get started. In the background is my dog crying from food. Handbag I want to discuss is Major Quiet Please. It's the La Piage original mini pouch. I had this since last summer. I think I get a lot of compliments on this mini handbag. Some people might call it an accessory. I use it as a handbag. It holds more than you think. This is my grab and go if I'm just don't want to be bothered with a handbag, especially now with me being so far along in my pregnancy. I really do not like to carry heavy handbags, so this comes in handy because I can put my card holder in here, I can put my phone in here, believe it or not, my car keys, and I can just go about my day. I really love this. I want to purchase this in some additional colors. It's extremely affordable. They range between $80 and $85. I purchased this from Bloomingdale's. I have seen people hack this handbag and they put holes on the side to make it a crossbody bag, but I'm okay with just holding it handheld at this time. If I want to like tweak it a little bit, I might tweak this one because I had it for a while now, and then I just might buy myself another color. So this is the Longchamp La Piage mini pouch, and I will link some links down below if you're interested in this. So this is item number 1. Item number 2, I did a video on it a couple of months ago, and this is a favorite item of mine. This is my La Piage small top handle. If I just want something that's quick and easy that can go with any outfit, I reach for this, especially during the winter months if it's snowing or if it's raining. This comes in handy. Again, this is extremely affordable. This costs $125. Sorry for the noise. My mom's in the kitchen. And it comes in an array of colors. And I would definitely link some down below. You can get this on sale. Obviously, the classic colors are not usually on sale, but the seasonal colors do go on sale. And they have a new color out. It's like brown. I will post a picture up here for you. I'm extremely interested in getting this one as well. I'll probably go ahead and get it. It was low in stock, so we'll see. So this is my second Longchamp La Piage small, and this is the mini. So small, mini, $80 to $85, $125. You can't go wrong. Now the 2 that I put on my registry for my baby shower, I received one from my god sister, and I will be using this as my baby hospital bag and also travel bag when we go on vacation. And as you can see, it pops out into this huge handbag. So I purchased compartment pouches. What do you call those? I'm having a mind blank. I purchased some pouches to insert inside of here, so when I go to the hospital to deliver the baby, I will have the baby stuff already sorted out. I don't have to worry about where's the onesies, where's this, where's that. It's already pre-packed, and all I have to do is pack it nice and neat in this handbag. I thought this was a perfect gift because, and I'm happy my sister purchased it for me, because I can not only use it as my hospital bag, I can use it after the hospital when we go on weekend trips, if we go away, or if, you know, we're just going somewhere and I need to carry some stuff, and it's black on black, and I think it's a perfect color and it will last a very long time. So I'm truly thankful for this baby shower gift. And this was $160. This is the Weekender. So not only can I put the baby stuff in here, I can also put my stuff in here as well. I purchased packing cubes. That's what we call them. I purchased packing cubes for the baby and myself, so I can have myself stuff separated and also have the baby stuff separated. And I will be putting the packing cubes inside of this handbag. So this is the Weekender, $160. I used the Babylist for my registry, and I'm so happy I did. This is going off topic with Bye Bye Baby going out of business and a lot of people having gift cards. I used the Babylist. I think it was an excellent tool to use for my baby shower. People was able to purchase things from various stores. I received confirmation. Simple, easy, to the point. So yeah, thanks to the Babylist for everything, for helping me get through this baby shower. So that's a side note. So the last Longchamp handbag that I received from my registry was purchased from my uncle and my auntie. And this is basically the smaller version of this. And I was able to include Longchamp on my registry through the Babylist. This one came from Bloomingdale's. This one came from Longchamp because Bloomingdale's did not have this size. So that's why the Babylist was just an amazing tool to use, because if it was something that I was missing from one store, I was able to pull it from another store and put it on my registry. So this is the medium size. So you see I have the small. You see there's a pattern here. So this is the medium size, the smaller version between the Weekender and the larger version over the small. Black on black again, perfect. I plan on using this as a handbag and also as a baby bag when I'm running out. Simple, nice and easy. I can use my pouches inside of this bag to separate my stuff from the baby stuff, and I think it's perfect. It's perfect. This retails for $140. Again, I think these are perfect options if you do not want to splurge on a designer baby bag ranging from $800 to upwards to almost $1,500. The Longchamp collection you can definitely work with, and it's suitable for your lifestyle. I think it's perfect. It's user-friendly. It's weatherproof. I don't have to worry about the rain. I don't have to worry about the snow. I can wear this throughout all 4 seasons. And I think it would be just perfect for this new journey that I'm about to embark on. So these are just a few of my Longchamp bags. This is the medium. This is the Weekender. This is the small. And this is the mini, which is, believe it or not, one of my favorites. So this is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would absolutely love for you to do so. I'm just a small channel trying to grow, just sharing some of the things that I love. Thank you for stopping by. Always remember to be good to yourself, but most of all, be good to others. Bye.